Welcome. In this video I will show you what to do if the face recognition scanner isn't responding on your Motorola Moto G10 smartphone. In such case, we're gonna have to set up a new face model on our device, and to do that, go to Settings, scroll down to Security and open this menu. Let me slightly lower the brightness. Then go to Face Unlock, enter the password, and if you have previously enrolled face model on your smartphone, then remove it before adding a new one. And also, we want to make sure that we can clearly see our face in the camera, so grab a dry towel or better off a microfiber cloth and wipe the surface of your frontal camera. Make sure that the lights in your room are facing you and not your device's camera, as it may significantly improve your face unlock quality. And once you're ready, tap Setup, tap Next, and then make sure to align your face in the circle. Look directly at your device's camera. Then tap Next, and done. Now we have to check if our device has any available security updates. To do that, go to System, Advanced, then select System Updates. Check if your device has any available updates, and if it doesn't, then we can simply restart our phone. To apply changes, to do that, hold down the power button for a couple of seconds, and once the power menu appears on your screen, I pressed the wrong button. And once the power menu appears on your screen, select Restart option and wait until your phone is restarted. Then we're gonna have to check our face model once again. And once your phone is restarted, first unlock it using the password, and then let's try to use a face recognition scanner. So look at your device's screen after pressing the power button to unlock your device, to wake it up, and your phone should automatically unlock once you look at it. Okay, so everything works relatively smoothly, and that's it. At this point, the problem should be solved. I hope that this video helped you, and if it did, please consider subscribing to our channel, leave us a like and a comment below, and I'll see you in the next one.